Hi, my name is Dylan Foltz, and today I'll be giving a multimedia discussion board as an introduction to myself. I'm 25 years old, and I am a junior at Cal Baptist University. It's my first year there, and our first year here, and I'm actually really enjoying the program. I'm currently majoring in criminal justice and hope to seek a career in law enforcement in the near future. Some of my hobbies are hiking, camping, and seeking out new national parks or new areas, new outdoor areas. The picture on the right is actually from Zion National Park in Utah, and one of the most amazing hikes I've ever taken. It's called Angel's Landing, and there's a few more pictures on here that I took. The one on the left is from Grand Teton National Park, and I believe that's in Wyoming. And then the one on the right is Bryce Canyon. Hope you guys enjoyed the presentation. Have a good one.